Infisical is an open source secrets management platform. Let's say we have a Next.js app. Usually, we would start it up by running npm run dev. In this case, we would need to have a .env file, or we would need to find some other way of injecting environment variables or secrets into our application processes. With Infisical, you can preface this starting command with Infisical run. What this does is this automatically pulls the latest version of your secrets into your application processes, as you can see here. Every secret in Infisical is actually structured in a project. Every project has a set of environments such as development, test, staging, production. And in this screen, in the environment overview screen, you can see how every secret compares across environments. So we can see that Stripe ID is actually missing in our production environment. When we go on to explore a particular environment, we can see that within environment, secrets are structured as key value pairs. Every value can actually also reference other values. In this case, we can see that the DB URL is referencing database username and database password. On the other hand, database password is actually a personal secret. It's overridden by a personal value. It's useful either for very sensitive secrets that have to be unique for every engineer, or for local development purposes when you don't want to disturb every other engineer on your team. Every secret can also be tagged, for example, with billing or any other tag that you can imagine, and it can also have a comment that can be useful for new engineers, etc. Every secret is also versioned, so you can roll back to any point in time in case you make a mistake. In the Members tab, you can actually manage the permissions, whether engineers in your team are able to read or write or edit particular environments, or if they're able to add new secrets only. In the Integrations tab, we already discussed how we can integrate Infisical into our local development using the language agnostic and platform agnostic CLI. It works across all of these frameworks and more. On top of that, you can also integrate Infisical across your infrastructure with tools like Docker, Docker Compose, Kubernetes, Terraform, and these are just a few, and you can find documentation by clicking these buttons. And a unique feature of Infisical is that you can integrate it with all of these third-party services. In this case, Infisical becomes a unique source of truth for your secrets, and you can push secrets from Infisical into services like Vercel, Railway, Supabase, GitHub Actions, and so on. We're excited for you to try Infisical, and if you have any questions, you can always find us in Slack.